Hello everyone, it's Succulents Box again, and today we're talking about air. I know that sounds kind of weird, but how air flows in your home can really affect your plants. That's why today I want to talk about how to improve your home's air quality and why you should improve it. All plants, succulents included, need carbon dioxide to synthesize sugars during photosynthesis. If your home environment has stagnant air, this lack of airflow can limit how much carbon dioxide your plants receive, thus stunting their growth. If your environment doesn't have strong airflow for a while, you may see your succulent stop growing altogether, similar to when it enters dormancy. In addition, succulents' roots need to breathe. Moving air can promote drainage and prevent problems that typically come with overwatering. The stagnant air also provides a perfect environment for pests, mold, and mildew to grow around your plants. Pests that particularly love moist conditions like fungal gnats, spider mites, and mealybugs. Along with these pests, you may find your succulents need less water than usual, and they may contract black mold or powdery mildew. Moving air, however, has many benefits. It can make a room feel cooler, and the air movement allows your succulents to air out after watering and prevent pests from making a home in your plants. Plus, a fresh breeze is always great for mental health. Today I'm going to cover 4 ways you can improve the air quality of your home, all for under $40. Number 1. Opening windows. If you can, open your windows to help air move around the home. It's always nice to let in a cool breeze and get some fresh air. Not only will it help your plants, but your own mental health as well. To make sure your succulent is getting enough fresh air, consider placing it near an open window for a while. An open window does wonders for air circulation because it's easy access to a massive environment. Even if just one window is cracked open, it still leaves room for stagnant air to escape and for fresh air to come in. To further improve air circulation with an open window, consider opening any doors inside your home. 2. Using fans. Opening windows isn't exactly the best idea if it's too hot or too cold, or just really bad for your allergies, but you still need to get that air circulating, right? If nature's breeze can't move your air, then we'll have to do it ourselves. A small electric fan can do wonders for a room. Place your fan near your succulents and let it oscillate, if it can, to improve the air circulation. Just make sure the fan is on a low setting so that you don't damage the plant. If you can, open a window. Placing a fan near it can also help move fresh air into the room more quickly. Number 3. Check your air filter. Every building has an air filter made especially for keeping dust and debris from blowing out of your heat vents. Over time, these air filters become covered in dust, which is completely normal. You'll still need to replace your air filter when it happens. Number 4. Humidity control. Stagnant air typically accompanies high humidity or incredibly dry air, which can harm plants if they're not used to the environment. Some plants prefer humid areas, and some prefer drier climates. To help control humidity, you can buy a humidifier or dehumidifier to add moisture to a room. While this doesn't necessarily help with air circulation, managing your home's environment humidity can still help your succulents stay happy and healthy. If you like this video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let us know below if you would like any specific video topics, and happy gardening!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.